We're back with another awesome property here in Medellin, Colombia. This one's located in the neighborhood of La Frontera near San Lucas in El Poblado. And the beautiful thing about this apartment, as we saw, open concept there in the living room and kitchen area, is that this is owned currently by an architect and a designer. So they redid this whole apartment. This building is 33 years old. But this this apartment does not look that way because they redesigned it, remodeled it, and it looks beautiful. You could see the bathrooms. Look at this. You don't have to remodel anything. It's turnkey. You can live in it now or put it up on Airbnb if you wanted to. This is ideal, though, because of the area. La Frontera is very quiet. It is about a 4 or 5 minute drive from El Poblado, Provenza neighborhood, Poblado Park, Parque Lleras. But it's removed so that you don't get any noise. It's super quiet. This is the master bedroom. That's a king size bed in there. And this is the master bath, which is probably one of my favorite areas in the whole. Actually, I'm going to show you my favorite area. The master bath is great. I love that they have the double sinks. The people that live in it right now, the owners, they live in it. Their family's growing, so they need to get a bigger place. So again, this would be ideal for someone, maybe a single person or a couple that works from home, maybe make that second bedroom into an office, and that you're here part-time or full-time. And you could put this up on Airbnb monthly. If you want to check what Airbnb prices are going for, just look for the San Lucas, Sanlucas neighborhood on Airbnb, and you can see what this is a 2-bedroom, what the 2 bedrooms are going for in the area. And you'll be I think it'll be a nice surprise. I've done it myself because you could get some money out of this if you wanted to. But again, I think this is more for someone that wants to make it a home. It really looks very cozy. This is my favorite part. This kitchen, I love what they did with this redesign. If you go into any of the other apartments, they don't look like this. It's enclosed. There's walls everywhere because it's an older building. So these apartments were older, and that's the way they built them back then. But look at this. Countertop is marble with the stove top right here on this counter so that if you have guests over, family over, whatever, you can cook together, have fun. This is the living area, and the deck over here, or the balcony, which is pretty big, and it has a view to the mountainside over here, a lot of greenery, very peaceful, very tranquil. Let's talk about numbers. This one is 83 square meters. It's about 893 square feet, and it's listed at 675 million Colombian pesos, which comes out to only be $161,000. So if you want to make an offer on this one, or you have a different budget and you want to find something different and you want to work with us, all you got to do is click on the link in the description or in the pinned comment. It's a link to our form. You fill it out, and somebody on our team will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you want to continue seeing awesome properties here in Medellin, click on this playlist right here.